Right, boys and girls, the Escort RS Turbo in black. I was going to come around and start her up. I think, oh, the joy of immobilisers. Bear with me, bear with me. Who got the immobiliser? The dreaded immobiliser. Right, that's gone out. Let's see how we go now. Sounds like something's going to happen now. Hear the pump going. There she's across the dash. Slightly late. Oh, there's another immobiliser alarmy thing in there. Aftermarket radio. Cigarette light has never been used. Sounds sweet enough. It sounds sweet for a CVH, that. Right, one number there. Another set of numbers there. There's your offside one. Numbers there somewhere. Where are we looking? There we are, a little number there. Expansion tank's nice and clean, look at that. Near side. Number on there as well. Battery tray all looks good. Looks like she's got some shocks on, judging by the 2 pins sticking up there. Still got the sound deadening pad with the heat shield there above your exhaust manifold or turbo area. Right, let's have a quick look round inside. Young Jack's already done a good series of photographs of the car yesterday. We'll leave the seat covers on, but we'll just pull them back so you can have a look. They're nice, aren't they? They're okay. Very serviceable. I think this is my first port of call with these, is normally lifting this flap up, and I'm sure I did the other day. Yeah, though I did. There you go, and I do remember looking underneath and seeing, nice to see no square patches of weld around underneath there. Carpets look good, pedal rubbers are good, steering wheel, no excess wear on the steering wheel, good on the door shuts, door cards, a little bit there where you put your elbow, they all suffer a little bit there, don't they? Door skins. Let's have a quick look round. Obviously she's got some aftermarket speakers in the parcel shelf that's currently fitted, but we have another parcel shelf here with no holes in, together with some more information there, which I'll take down and put in the office. I can't see why that should have remained in the car. That must have been in the office. Spare hose, bit of oil, alloy spare, all good in the boot floor, that's nice. Good in there. The boot lid, still got cardboard derived covers on there. Boot lid all looks good. And now down the near side, clean on the shuts, door card. They always have a little bit of discoloration, don't they, on those, but that can be addressed, not a problem. Right, and seats. Have a look, make sure the seats haven't been swapped about. That's okay. Nice and clean on those shuts. And then we'll have a little wander around the outside. Got some sort of, they're not Pro-Yo toxes, but they're like it. Clean on the brakes and dual discs. And a lamp there, and then the near side the same. Sits nice though. Looks well, doesn't it? A little bit on that bumper corner there. Little ding there, don't look like it's broke the paint. So I do remember sticking my head underneath it when I was looking at the numbers on arrival and thinking, oh, the floor, in actual fact, is quite good now. So there you go, guys, the RS Turbo. I'm just looking around as I'm talking to you. I'm sure we've got another one. I think there's a white one. Yes, there is. There's another white one in the other unit down the road there, so that makes 2. I think it's just 2 at the moment, but that can change in a heartbeat, can't it? So we've got a couple for you to choose from. So yeah, come down and have a look. I'm going to put that paperwork all in the office now, together with what else we've got. While you're here on site, obviously the girls or the guys in the reception will get that paperwork out for you to go through. But hopefully that will give you a bit of an idea as to what we've got.